I just want to take a few seconds to talk about what's new in version 1.16. There's three little things and one bigger thing. One of the first changes is the relocation of the update link to the top left of the interface. This makes it a little more accessible. There's also the addition of this indicator beside it, which shows whether or not the interface is in sync or not. If it's green, it means that there's updates available, and if it's gray, it means that we're currently in sync. The next change is the addition of these toggles to the sections on the left-hand side that will let us collapse and expand these sections. Some people with lower resolution screens were having problems seeing all of the information, so this should help with that. The next change is the addition of two new filters. One is destination country code and source country codes. These new filters will come into play with the new tables that are on the summary tab. So the summary tab contains 5 tables: top signatures, top IPs, and top countries. It contains summary information about each record as well. The stats are generated from the full record set. So for example, in the top signatures table, it produced all the results before it produced the summary stats. So the stats aren't for the 10 records we're looking at. It's for actually the 62 records and all of the events. These tables can be trimmed or expanded actually by either using the sliders or changing, for example, a time interval. So if we wanted to look at the events between midnight and 1 a.m. Or 1 a.m. to 2 a.m., clicking on each of these will filter these tables and change the results. So we can return back to looking at all of them. If we wanted to look at a few more of the events in the signature table, we could just drag the slider and that will show us more of the results. The sliders all work independently of one another, so whatever particular table you happen to be focused on will be the one that's changing. And you can update all of the tables simply by clicking the update link in the top left. The objects in the table are linked just as they are in the events tab, so if we wanted to filter on any of these items, we would simply click on them and they would be added to the filter section. So if I wanted to look at Ireland, for example, as a source, I could simply just click it, follow up with an enter, and that will bring us to the events tab, which will then show us these events. That's it for now. Thank you.